story that rocked both the city of Baltimore and the Department of Public Works. And tonight, we have new information about the death of Baltimore sanitation worker Ronald Silver II. As you know, he died of hypothermia after overheating last August. And WJZ is live at 5 o'clock tonight. Our Tara Lynch digging into a new report on your corner. And Tara, the state report says it is department policy to drive the trucks with the windows down, making air conditioning then ineffective. Is this true?
Rick, that is what the report is telling us. It's also even more unbearable if you have three men who are sharing that cab together on an already hot day. Another worker said that the air conditioning in those cabs, that little bit of refuge that they have, doesn't always work, and it sometimes even blows hot air during a sweltering summer day. A lengthy report from Maryland Occupational Safety and Health outlines the lack of heat precautions before a Baltimore City sanitation worker died on the job last summer. Ronald Silver II died of hyperthermia in East Baltimore after overheating on August 2nd. The state findings include interviews with a supervisor who said drivers must have the windows down in the cab at all times, making the air conditioning less effective and heating up the only spot for refuge out of the summer sun. Health experts warn the dangers of working in these scorching conditions.
You can get in real trouble in tight spaces when outside it's 85, 90, 95 degrees. You could be 110 inside that vehicle if you're not properly cooled.
MOSH also details an interview with Travis Christian, another DPW employee working alongside Silver that day. He said the air conditioning in the cabs often doesn't work and blows hot air. He also said breaks are rare because of the workload. Christian said he noticed Silver was drinking more water than usual that day when it may have already been too late.
Once you get over that line and your body starts to lose its own ability to regulate, it's a very quick spiral downwards into very dangerous territory.
The city's inspector general released a report in March detailing a minute-by-minute account of Silver's final day. Among the findings, DPW had no training protocols for heat.
Till Mr. Silver passed, there was zero heat training for the laborers or for the drivers.
Silver's family is still fighting for answers, including begging the city to release the details of an investigation done by an outside law firm.
We just want all of the findings. We just want them all. At this point, there's no reason to hide.
In March, MOSH issued a citation to the Department of Public Works because of the dangerous conditions. That citation requires the department to change its policies. It does not levy a fine. The Department of Public Works has since updated its heat protocols for workers. And actually, while we've been standing here this evening, we actually ran into the City Inspector General, Isabel Cumming, that you saw just there. She says there are inaccuracies in the state report. She says the state is only accounting for 14 heat-related injuries. Her report issued in March accounts for 29. For now, reporting on your corner in Baltimore City, Tara Lynch, WJZ.